previous lecture, we have seen importance of Django, features of Django, its real-world application, and MVC architecture. In this lecture, we'll see how to install Python and add the path of Python file into the environment variable. Now, we will install Django. But first of all, we have to install Python, a pip library, a virtual environment, and then we'll install Django. So, our first step to install Python. Python can be installed by this link. You just click on this link. Python 3.5 version for 32-bit system will be downloaded automatically. After that, after download the file, you need to run it. Check the box next to the add Python 3.5 to path and then click install now. Let's install Python. As I have downloaded it already, you need to just download it and install it. Here, add Python 3.5 to path. You have to just click it, then install now. So, this will install Python in our system. So, in this lecture, we have seen how to install Python and add the path of Python file into the environment variable. In next lecture, we'll see installation of virtual environment and Django, and we'll also see how to use virtual environment with Django.